No, you cannot bring a camper back here. I can't even get back here if it's wet. I gotta get some mud tires for Goose. I need $600, yo. Thanks for watching, guys. We're at about a 45-degree angle right now. I don't know if you can tell from the camera, but on this part right here, it's about 45 degrees. I don't know if you can tell from the video coming up either. It's a good thing I got the lifetime alignment from Firestone Complete Auto Care. Pay for the lifetime alignment, you get free alignments for as long as you have that vehicle. They didn't know what they were in for when they offered me that deal. Right here is there's a big rock drop off, and really that's why I put the 3-inch lift on it. That one spot, it's a little bit more than 45 right now. Like the seat belt is the only thing holding me up. All right. Yeah, we're surveying out here right now. That caution tape is not because there's any danger. It's just that's where the easement is, around in a circle down here. All right, made it up and down. Nice. All right, guys. We'll see you on the ridge.